In a world that's always rushing, sometimes the best gift we can give ourselves is a slow, playful escape into creativity. That's what Mixed Media Florals and Procreate is all about. A place where rich textures, delicate blends, and playful splatters come together to create artwork that's alive, approachable, and completely your own. If we haven't met before, my name is Tila, and I've been creating art in Procreate since 2016. What started as a love for traditional textures became a bit of an obsession with recreating that look digitally. No mess, no cleanup, just a peaceful place to play. In Mixed Media Florals, we'll explore a new, more painterly side of digital art, mixing watercolors, dry brush textures, acrylics, pastels, and bold strokes, all using the iPad and a custom brush set designed just for this course. Even if you're new to digital painting, this course was designed with beginners in mind. With just a basic familiarity with Procreate, you'll be guided step by step through every project using approachable methods that build confidence as you go. We start by getting everything set up right. I'll walk you through a custom texture-filled canvas, handy gestures, how to use source photos properly, and even how to enhance your reference photos. Then it's time to dive into creating. We'll work step by step through 9 full floral projects, from bold, graphic-style florals to soft, layered blooms to messy, abstract bouquets. Learning techniques like layering washes, building organic textures, blending seamlessly, and adding playful details that make every piece feel uniquely yours. And to show you just how flexible these techniques really are, we'll wrap things up with a special bonus project, a mixed media owl. It's a chance to take everything you've learned, layering, texture, color, and apply it to a completely different subject. These techniques aren't just for florals. They're tools you can return to for anything you want to create. And because we all love options, I'll show you how to take your finished artwork even further, from prepping and exporting your work for prints to selling it using print-on-demand platforms. You'll also learn how to change color profiles, apply transparent backgrounds to your watercolor-style pieces, and 3 easy ways to enlarge your artwork without ever having to recreate it. When you enroll, you'll get everything you need to jump right in. The full 100+ Mixed Media Lovers Procreate brush set, an extended license so you can sell anything you create with the brushes, style process cheat sheets for quick reference when creating your own artwork in the future, links to every resource mentioned throughout the course, all vetted and recommended from personal experience, and a private Procreate community designed to help you grow through feedback, inspiration, and support from fellow artists. So if you've been craving a calm, creative escape from the constant noise of daily life, somewhere you can slow down, experiment, and create just for the joy of it, grab your iPad and join me inside Mixed Media Florals and Procreate.